Presenting E3D's award-winning ToolChanger and Motion System, the advanced reference platform for combined multifunction process development, prototyping, and manufacturing. Available as kits of subsystems, the ToolChanger and Motion System can be quickly and easily customized using E3D's online configurator to meet your specific requirements. Featuring best-in-class components from industry leaders, E3D has developed an agile and precise system with the goal of progressing FDM technologies. The ToolChanger and Motion System is capable of integrating additive, subtractive, and many other technologies into a single process. E3D's ecosystem of high-performance hot ends, nozzles, and extruders are supported, and a selection of tools are available. With a commitment to excellence, E3D's rigorous quality control requires all components meet the highest of standards. The ToolChanger and Motion System are fully open source. Blank toolkits and downloadable CAD gives users the ability to develop their own tools or adopt community designs. The Motion System's X, Y, and Z axes are pre-assembled by E3D, saving you time and eliminating the need for laborious alignment during user assembly. The Motion System's core XY belt configuration is fast and accurate with a low moving mass for the ToolChanger's kinematic toolhead to directly mount to. Moons motors for exceptional speed and control, genuine gates belts and pulleys for accuracy, high wind linear rails and bearings for smooth movements. The ToolChanger isn't limited to just additive, it's also possible to incorporate subtractive, inspection, pick-and-place tools, and gives users the opportunity to develop and integrate many other tools and processes. ToolChanging enables true multi-material printing, combining flexibles, carbon-filled materials, and soluble support. Use high-flow Volcano alongside V6 tools for variable track widths, mixed layer heights, and faster prints. Through our research and development in exploiting ToolChanging, we've developed the capability to enhance the FDM process with subtractive machining. Introducing the future of desktop 3D printing. Additive subtractive manufacturing by layer. Installing an ASMBL tool into your ToolChanger integrates existing mature CAM with traditional additive slicing. Correctly toleranced holes, non-planar surfacing, sharp edges, and exquisitely smooth top faces are all now possible straight off the build plate. To enable ASMBL, E3D have developed a Fusion 360 plugin to generate CAM paths for the ASMBL subtractive tool. Both the Motion System and ToolChanger are compatible with all mainstream slicer software. All tool changes are handled by the onboard Duet electronics and firmware. The flexibility of the Duet platform empowers users to develop and integrate new tools and processes. The Duet 2's web interface is the control hub for the ToolChanger and Motion System. Upload your files directly, control the printer, and start prints remotely, all within the comfort of a web browser. A precision Omron microswitch allows mesh bed leveling to compensate for any build plate imperfections while laying down the first layer. The high-temperature heated bed is rated to 200 degrees Celsius and can reach 100 degrees in just 80 seconds. The ToolChanger and Motion System can be configured for high-temperature printing of everything from polycarbonate to PEKK. Vary materials between shell and infill to optimize parts for greater strength, all without compromising aesthetics or reducing resolution. Although reference documentation and guidance on aspects of assembly, firmware, and calibration is readily available, the freedom and responsibility of selecting and integrating the tools, components, and subsystems is ultimately placed on the user. Join the cutting edge of additive manufacturing, the E3D ToolChanger and Motion System, available to buy now.